Hi everyone. So I wanted to show you just a real quick video on how to access your Blackboard course and how to access MyMathLab and the videos once you're in your Blackboard course. So this is what your screen should look like when you're in MyCCC, and up in the right hand corner you should have a Blackboard option. So when you hit Blackboard, yours will look much different than mine because I have a bunch of courses in here, but you're going to find one that says Math 960. And you're going to click on that, and then this is what yours will look like. So the two features on the left hand side is what I need you to look at. So you have a short assignment, an introductory assignment for MyMathLab that's due on Monday, and I'm hoping that you can try it before Friday so we can troubleshoot if you have any issues. Now I'm going to click this so you can see what pops up, and then I'm going to have to take the student preview mode off because I'm not a student, so it won't let me enter in the course. But you're going to have these options come up, and then they're going to have you click OK. And once you go down to the bottom of this and click OK, so if we get to the bottom, I accept, then this won't pop up anymore. Okay, so I need to. If I click on that, nothing's really going to happen for me. So I need to get back into Blackboard. All right, so you're going to click OK. And then once you click OK, your MyMathLab's going to come up. So I need to get out of the student preview mode so you can see what it's going to look like. So when you go into MyMathLab, now I'm in my course now, you're going to click the homework option. And then you'll see you have this intro to MyMathLab. Now the cool thing about this is you have an unlimited number of attempts. So there's only 9 questions, and you can work through question by question. Right? When you're done with the question, you want to hit continue until you get through with the question and the check. So it says type the number 1 in the following box. Okay, so you see it says check answer now, and if I hit check answer, it says fantastic, and it's going to go on to the next question. Well, this has a few parts remaining, if you can see down at the bottom. So if you want to see how many questions you've done or how many you have left, you see you can come up here and this says, well, I have 1 part done, but that X means I still have another part to do. So I just want you to play with it. There's nothing you can do wrong in this, only because you have an unlimited number of attempts. So if you get something wrong, here it says type the number shown in the pop-up. Okay, so I'm going to just get something wrong. It says view here to click the answer. So they want us to type in the number 7. Okay, so if I type in 6 and I get it wrong, all right, I'm going to hit OK. I still get another attempt, so now I can go in here and click the number 7. And then check my answer. Okay, so you can go, even if you get it wrong, you can go back in and fix it. Now, I don't want to do a similar question because I have this one right. So now you just want to go to the next question. See, it's a green check now. So now I want to go into question 2. Okay, so if you get something wrong, so here, I'm going to show you what to do if you get something wrong. Let's see. Choose the smiley face. All right, so I'm just going to choose this one and get it wrong so you can see what happens. I check answer. Oh, I did not do it right. So I'm going to do a final check. Oh, I got it wrong. So they told me that the correct answer was B. So now I'm going to come down here and say, you know what? I want to get this right. So I'm going to try a similar question. Choose the smiling face below. Okay, I'm going to check that. Check the answer, and now I got it right. So you can go through and do this as many times as you want to get 100 on every assignment. All right. So this is just an introductory assignment to kind of get you used to how the MyMathLab entering answers, the response questions, and then I'm going to show you some stuff next week about it on how to access videos, how to send me emails, how to get some question help, how to access the textbook. So you don't need to buy a textbook. You can just use the MyMathLab one. All right, so give this a try because we can troubleshoot any problems that you have on Friday when we're together again. All right, so give it a try, and if you have any troubles, let me know and we'll work through them on Friday.